Oh, come on now, Atri. You know look like a robot girl who needs my pout.
I didn't know why you saying pouting me.
Atri,
What's that?
do you ever think about those storms around the snowy globe?
It snowed out there in Nova Scotia, but it was pretty much of a rain outside in Nova Scotia.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Well, right now I just became nothing, but actually he's gonna have to die in the rain.
Really?
Of course, robot girls don't do that.
Oh, thank goodness. Atri, you're the genius.
Thank you very much.